Right guys, here I am again. I know you're all going to try and do me in for not giving you a sketch. So here we are this time now. And let's see what we've got here in this sketch here. Right. Okay, we start off over here. We've got a 12 volt battery. Drives into a 12 volt inverter. And inverter's output is just rough, probably anywhere between 400 watts up to 1500 watts, but it's probably less than 400 watts coming out of the inverter. And then the output of the inverter is typically 240 volts. That then drives through here into our MOT transformer here. The MOT transformer also is powering through two microwave oven diodes here. We've got two microwave oven diodes here. That goes on through and power through a microwave oven capacitor here, which is the usual 1 microfarad or 0.9 microfarads at 2 kilovolts, around about 1 microfarad. Above that now, the entire capacitor is held up by a bit of string, if you like, and that's connected right here to our digital scale. That's our digital scale there. And then typically we have a spark gap just there. And for this experiment, we've got any coil here. The coil's not even necessary once you've got a capacitor in the circuit, but any coil will do here. And earth is andy to ground, so proper ground that goes outside into the earth. And basically that is a circuit. The only difference between this and the convention of normally building these sort of circuits is that in this case we've merely isolated the capacitor by hanging up by a piece of string and hang it onto our scale. And our scale, as you can see here, right, here's our scale. Can get some focus on that. Yeah, there's our scale here, and our scale is held up by, wait for it, nothing more than a broomstick going through here. Goes through there, anywhere that can suspend this broomstick. Anyway, this broomstick is actually my high voltage probe, which I don't think I've actually demonstrated to you guys. It's not being used at high voltage right now. I've tucked away some of the leads off it, but by itself it has a probe here. Probe's connected onto this bare wire here. This bare wire comes down there, it finishes connection there. Now the bare wire starts on this connector here and it goes down here, and it finishes up on this connector here. So this one finishes up on this connector here. This one starts on this connector here. This one goes over here, finish up on this connector here. This is just a hook for the wire. So it's a high voltage probe, no doubt, about 4 or 5 feet long, which is great for test work on HG, well, high voltage stuff. But away from that, anything will do to hang up a electronic scale. But there it is. We've got a circuit here, as we've just seen. Let's try and get this focus going. Where's the focus gone to? Right, there it is. The focus is trying to come back slowly. And right, there we go, and there you have it. That's it for now, and I'm out of here. I'm out of here now. Radio.